Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, we will be providing the solution of this question, the Krampf Lines Railway Company. So here in this question, they have provided two tables. First will be the town and the supplier of cars, and the second will be on the from and to where we have different values of the town. So we have formulated this question and provided the solution of this question using Excel solver. So we have taken the decision variables and other variables. So we have taken xij as the unit shipped from the source I to destination j, where I equals to 1 Morgantown, second is the Youngstown, and so on. And the J values will be, the first one is the coal value, second one will be the coal town, third one will be the coal junction, and second will be the fourth will be the coal's work. So as we've taken, these all are the decision variables that we keep. Then here we have formulated the question using minimum z, which is the derivation of all these variables according to the subject objective function. So, and this next one is the setup of constants. So these all are the constants that we have set up using the variables as mentioned in the question also. And then we use the solver to provide the solution. So our solution gets is 3100. So this will be the optimal solution that we reached using the Excel solver. And these all are the answer sheet 1, report 1, and this one with the sensitivity report 1, and this will be the limits report 1. So this is being auto generated using the Excel solver, and that's one with the final value. And we've also used some of the Excel formulas to derive these values. So I hope you will be getting this. So for this Excel file, I will be sharing you my details such as Telegram and WhatsApp. So you can just message me out and I will definitely share you this Excel file. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.